everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to upcycle a satin skirt and convert it into a top made entirely using rectangle pieces. This is a very simple construction, no curves, no complicated patterns, and perfect if you want to reuse fabric. If you're a beginner or if you want to understand garment construction in a clean and easy way, this video will be really helpful. Let's start from the beginning. Instead of a new fabric, I'm working with an old satin skirt. Satin already has a nice fall which works well for this design. Before cutting, I removed the waistband, opened the side seams and pressed the fabric flat. Once the skirt is opened completely, it becomes a flat fabric panel which we can easily convert into rectangles. This is a simple and effective way to upcycle an existing garment. This entire top is made using only rectangles. We'll cut two large rectangles for the front and back panels and reuse the skirt hem for the straps. There is no armhole cutting, no neckline shaping, and no curved pattern pieces. The structure of this top comes only from folding, stitching, and strap placement. Now let's cut the main panels. The front and back panels are exactly the same size. Make sure the fabric is placed on the straight grain, especially because satin can shift easily. Using the required size, cut two identical rectangles. Cut slowly and carefully so the edges stay straight. After cutting the rectangles, we are going to finish all four sides of each panel. That includes both side edges and both bottom edges. For finishing, fold the edge once, press, then fold it again and stitch close to the fold. This double fold hem prevents fraying and keeps the inside clean, which is very important for satin fabric. Do this for the both front and back panel. Now for the straps, instead of cutting separate fabric pieces, I'm going to reuse the hem of the satin skirt. The hem is already around 1 inch wide, which makes it the ideal for straps. First, cut the hem portion carefully from the skirt. Since satin tends to ravel, I folded the hem once towards the wrong side and then folded it again to finally enclose the raw edges. This following ensures that the threads wouldn't come out, the edges remain clean, and the fabric doesn't fray over time. Once folded, stitch neatly along the length. Repeat the same process to make 2 straps. Now take the front and back panel and place them right side facing each other, one on top of the other. Align the side edges, bottom edges, and the top edges. Pin everything neatly so the satin doesn't move while stitching. Mark 8 cm on both sides of top edge for the shoulder seam. Now we'll attach the straps. From top edge, measure down around 30 to 40 cm depending on how open you want the sides. From the bottom edge, measure up around 10 cm. Between these 2 points, insert one end of the strap in between the front and back panels, aligning the raw edges of the strap with the top raw edge of the panels. Pin it securingly. Repeat the same steps on the other side, making sure both sides are symmetrical. Now stitch along the sides to secure the panel and straps together. Leave a few space for the armhole on the top edge before stitching. At the top corner, stitch diagonally. The diagonal stitch helps secure the straps properly and add strength to the garment. Once stitched, trim the threads, turn the top right side out and give it a gentle press. One small mistake I want to mention here. Since I was upcycling a satin skirt, the fabric quantity was limited. Because of that, I made the top in a size small, which turned out to be little tight for me. If you're working with a small garment or limited fabric, always check whether you have enough width and length before finalizing the size. This is specifically important when working with satin because it doesn't have stretch. And another thing I want to mention here is that stitching with a satin fabric wasn't really an easy job to do. It was really stressful, to be honest. If you want to create a dress using the same pattern, the process remains exactly the same. You only need to increase the length of the rectangle panels and make sure you have enough fabric width for a comfortable fit. The construction, folding and strap placement stays the same. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and comment below what kind of fashion or sewing tutorial you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.